It's raining here in Clearwater, Florida. So we're just gonna hang out at the mall here at Clearwater. So that's where we're heading. We had breakfast at Tin Can Man Cafe. So that was a really nice breakfast area. Very cloudy and it's raining. There's not so much to do in the beach. It's gonna be cold in the beach.
Yeah, well, there was no one on the beach.
Yeah, it's Monday. It's Monday morning, 10:30 a.m. This is how it looks like here.
First time it's really rained on our vacation, though.
Yeah, that's good though, because today is our last day. Tomorrow we're gonna head back. Look, it's really pouring today. The rain is pouring. It's raining, it's pouring. And we're here at Petsmart, here at Clearwater Mall. Just stay here for a bit until the rain is starting to go down. Sweetie. Hey, sweetie. Yeah, we're looking for cats here at Petsmart. Oh, look at her. She's a pretty cat. Cats are pretty. Oops. So cute, huh? Dana. Here's Justin. Playing the kitty. We have cat before. Her name is Mariah, but we give her up into a new home because
It looks like a
look
doggy.
at her. Yeah, because Mariah is way too playful for us, and she scratched all our furniture, all our sofa, and yeah, so we put her into rehoming her, and we miss her. We miss our kitty, but we can't have cats at home since we have 3 big dogs.
Her name is T.
Yeah, and Hubby's not used to cats, and we're not used to cats at home. They're just nice to look around here. Cuties here. Okay, we're here inside Clearwater Mall. It's the Westfield Mall, right? Here at Clearwater.
Yep.
It's still raining outside, so we're inside the big mall here at Clearwater. And then later at 1 o'clock, we're gonna just watch movies. We're gonna watch the Rampage, the one with the Rock on it. Yeah, Victoria's Secret, my favorite lingerie shop. It's really nice. All candies, sweets, a lot of sweets there. A lot of candies there. There's our big mall here. There's the Starbucks coffee. Tampa Bay Lightning. It's all the football, popular football player there. Macy's. Oh, they have an indoor skate rink here.
No?
An indoor skating rink here. Very nice. Okay, let's go to the second floor and see if we can find. Dana's wearing my jacket. No, not jacket, the cover up. So I'm just wearing my tank top. Need to find Dana long sleeve stuff. Just maybe a light jacket. Seriously later here. Look, all these plush toys of Disney toys. They got a big TV. All their princesses dresses here. I'm looking for Dana's sweater here if you can find one. All those Disney characters on top. Look, all those dragons, Dana. I know. I saw that one. Yeah. Here we're inside Dillard's. It's nice clothing here. Nice shopping. Oh, look at that dress, so pretty. What to find for little girl? Oh, look at that dress. Look at that one, so cute. Look at that one, so cute. That smells good here at Dillard's. Nice clothing for a woman here. Look at that one. I like the design. Oh, look at that Michael Kors bag. Okay, let's going down to the escalator here. Mall. Let's see, where's the kids? Okay, here's all the laundry up there. There's all the makeup here. Makeup area here. Oh, this cute little dress is here for a little girl. Oh, I like that one. Wish Dana can wear those. All these cuties here. Look at that pretty dress here. It looks like a butterfly, but it's all flowers. It's nice. Nice size 14 dress. It might fit on me.
You don't need a bag. You're gonna wear it? I'm gonna take the tags off.
Today.
We're watching a movie today. Rampage.
Mommy, catch the video.
I know, but it's not started yet. So we're just the only one here.
Let's go down this way.
Here, Dustin.
Go down.
This is their theater here inside.
We are shopping
Look at
all
that.
of our inventory.
Dark.
Leave your drink.
I know, honey.
Johnny, this is Johnny.
We're the only
Watts.
one here.
Oh, this guy was ass kicker. Well, if you want to get technical, I kicked his
Hey,
face.
Dana.
Hey, where you going?
Okay.
By the entrance.
Okay, we're the only one here in the theater, and it's not starting yet. It will start about 20 more minutes.
And in this strip mall, I
It's
see
raining outside, so that's why what we're doing here. We're just
changed,
watching
but it's still
movies.
the same trick.
Look, today it's already 7 o'clock, so there's no sunset. And look at the beach. There's not so much people in there. Only couple. I think we got rained on. Yeah, it was raining this evening. And yeah, it's not so busy now. Yesterday was so busy and it was packed, and now it's not. See, it's so cloudy. So we missed the sunset from yesterday and today. Rain, rain, no sunset. But still the traffic in here is still. So hopefully tomorrow we're not gonna be busy because it's Monday. So Sunday is the busiest part. Yep, that's it. Tomorrow is our last day here. So look at the view. Very nice. There's my babe. Today is May 15, 2018, and it's our last day here at Clearwater. So we're gonna leave this morning, heading to Louisiana for our first stop, because it is a 3 days drive. So 9 hours drive on the first day, and then second day is 9 hours drive, because we are gaining 1 hour in each state, you know. So we, instead of 10 hours drive, we're gonna do 9, and then second day is also 9 hours. And we're stopping at Texas, and about maybe 7 hours drive, 7 or 8 hours drive, Texas to where we live. So yep, our vacation is done. 3 weeks is so fast. You know, it went by so fast, and I would like to say bye-bye here at Clearwater, Florida, and the view here from our lobby here. See? Oh, it was a nice beach up there. I'd like to say bye-bye here at Clearwater, Pier 60, Florida. Pier 60, Clearwater, Florida. That's the one. I think I say it backwards. The pirate ship on there. There's a floating restaurant. So it was nice. It's still a cloudy day. I think we're gonna have another rainy day today. Seems like maybe this afternoon. But yep. Bye-bye. So we're leaving now and head out to Louisiana. So see you in a bit.
What do you want? Oh, I'm talking? Okay, well, it's our last day in Clearwater. Actually, it's not our last day. We're leaving this morning. And the beach is empty. There's going to be rain showers all week, so I guess we're leaving at a good time. There's a big fire somewhere, because there's been fire trucks running down the beach all morning. Fortunately, it's not at our hotel since we're on the 8th floor. But just wanted to say goodbye to Clearwater, and it was a good time. Clearwater's a great place. If you come here, you'll love it. Yep, everyone gives it a thumbs up, and so we'll see you at home.
See ya. See ya tonight.